Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've recently passed the 50-year mark and noticed that getting a full, peaceful night's sleep isn't as easy as it used to be, you are definitely not alone. As our bodies age, our sleep patterns naturally change. You might find yourself waking up earlier, waking up multiple times during the night, or simply feeling like your sleep isn't as deep and refreshing as it once was. In today's video, to solve a problem, we first need to understand it. Why does sleep change after 50? First, our body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm, shifts. As we age, our brains naturally produce less melatonin, which is the hormone responsible for telling us when it's time to sleep. Second, life after 50 often brings physical changes, joint stiffness, changes in digestion, or nighttime trips to the bathroom. Additionally, stress, lifestyle transitions, and hormonal shifts can keep the nervous system slightly more alert than it should be at night. The good news: you do not have to accept poor sleep as an inevitable part of aging. With small, deliberate changes, you can guide your body back into a natural rhythm. Before looking at supplements, the most powerful foundation is your evening routine. Here are 3 simple habits you can start tonight. 1. Create a light buffer zone. Our eyes are highly sensitive to blue light from smartphones, tablets, and televisions. This light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daylight, suppressing melatonin production. Try turning off screens at least 1 hour before bed. Instead, dim the lights in your house and switch to warm, soft lighting. 2. Calm your nervous system. Transitioning from a busy day to sleep requires a bridge. Spend 15 to 20 minutes doing something soothing. Read a print book, listen to soft instrumental music, or practice deep, gentle breathing. Slowing down your breath directly lowers your heart rate and signals safety to your mind. 3. Set a consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the exact same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency is the single best way to reset your body's internal sleep clock. Now, let's talk about gentle, natural supplements that can support your sleep journey. When used correctly, these options are generally safe and effective for adults over 50. First, chamomile, the gentle relaxer. Chamomile has been used for centuries, and for good reason. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to specific receptors in your brain to reduce anxiety and initiate sleepiness. How to use it? A warm cup of organic chamomile tea 30 to 45 minutes before bed creates a comforting ritual that relaxes both mind and stomach. Second, ashwagandha, the stress shield. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb known for helping the body manage stress. It works by balancing levels of cortisol, the stress hormone that often spikes at night and keeps you awake. How to use it? Taking a moderate dose of ashwagandha in the late afternoon or evening helps lower restlessness and promotes a smoother transition into deep sleep. Third, melatonin, the timing reset. Because our natural melatonin production drops as we get older, low-dose melatonin can be very helpful. Important tip: more is not better when it comes to melatonin. A small dose, between 0.5 milligrams to 3 milligrams taken 30 minutes before bed, is often much more effective than higher doses, helping align your body clock without causing morning grogginess. While these natural remedies are widely considered safe, it is always important to prioritize your safety. If you are taking medications for blood pressure, blood thinners, or diabetes, or if you suspect you have sleep apnea, Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before introducing new herbal supplements. Every individual's health profile is unique, and your physician can help tailor the best approach for you. Improving your sleep after 50 isn't about finding a magic fix overnight. It's about small, consistent choices that nurture your body and calm your mind. Which of these evening habits or natural remedies are you going to try tonight? Let me know down in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family who might benefit from a better night's rest. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and sleep well.